the Mercedes-Benz W143, a symbol of pre-war automotive excellence. Welcome to Luxury.com, where we explore the fascinating history of iconic automobiles. Today, we're diving into a car that perfectly blended luxury, practicality, and innovation during the 1930s. This is the Mercedes-Benz W143, a model that showcased the brand's commitment to engineering excellence and refined design. Let's take an in-depth look at this pre-war gem and its lasting impact on automotive history. Historical context: the rise of the W143. The Mercedes-Benz W143, introduced in 1937, was a successor to the W21 model. Positioned as a mid-range offering, it was designed to cater to the growing demand for high-quality vehicles that combined comfort, performance, and affordability. The W143 emerged during a transformative period for the automotive industry. Mercedes-Benz sought to create a car that appealed to a broader audience while maintaining the prestige and luxury the brand was known for. The result was a model that stood out for its versatility and engineering ingenuity. Exterior design: classic elegance. Let's start with the design. The Mercedes-Benz W143 featured a timeless elegance that reflected the Art Deco influences of the era. Its long, flowing lines and gracefully arched fenders gave it a sense of sophistication, while its sturdy stance conveyed durability. The W143 was offered in a variety of body styles, including sedans, cabriolets, and tourers, each meticulously crafted to meet the diverse needs of its clientele. Whether it was for a family outing or a formal event, this car exuded class and versatility. The signature Mercedes-Benz grille, with the iconic three-pointed star emblem, reinforced the car's luxury appeal, while its large round headlamps provided a touch of character. Powertrain engineering excellence. Under the hood, the W143 offered a range of powertrains to suit different preferences. It was equipped with a 2.3-liter inline-six engine as standard, producing 55 horsepower. For those seeking more power, a 2.6-liter inline-six engine with 60 horsepower was also available. These engines were paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance. The W143 could achieve a top speed of 110 kilometers per hour, 68 miles per hour, which was impressive for its time. The engineering behind the W143 emphasized reliability and efficiency, making it a practical choice for both urban commuting and longer journeys. Interior, comfort, and craftsmanship. Step inside the W143 and you'll find a cabin design comfort and luxury. The seats were upholstered in high-quality materials, offering excellent support for long drives. The spacious interior could comfortably accommodate up to 5 passengers, making it ideal for families or chauffeur rides. The dashboard was a blend of functionality and style, featuring an array of elegantly designed gauges and switches. Wood trim accents added a touch of warmth, while the chrome detailing emphasized the car's premium nature. The attention to detail extended to the rear seats, ensuring that passengers enjoyed a comfortable and refined experience. Versatility: a car for every occasion. The Mercedes-Benz W143 was available in a variety of configurations to suit its diverse clientele. From the practical sedan to the stylish cabriolet and the spacious tourer, there was a W143 for every occasion. Its versatility made it popular among families, business owners, and even dignitaries. The car's robust build and reliable performance ensured that it could handle a variety of driving conditions with ease. Cultural impact: a symbol of prestige. The W143 wasn't just a car, it was a status symbol. Owning a Mercedes-Benz was a sign of success and sophistication, and the W143 was no exception. It was often seen at high-profile events, further cementing its reputation as a car for the elite. Even today, the W143 is celebrated as a representation of Mercedes-Benz's commitment to quality and innovation. Restore examples are prized by collectors, reflecting the car's enduring appeal. Legacy and collectability. The Mercedes-Benz W143 played an important role in the brand's history, bridging the gap between luxury and practicality. Its innovative engineering and timeless design continue to inspire admiration among enthusiasts and collectors. Today, The W143 is a rare gem, with well-preserved examples fetching high prices at auctions. Its historical significance and elegant design make it a cherished piece of automotive heritage. And that's the story of the Mercedes-Benz W143, a car that represented the best of pre-war engineering and design. What are your thoughts on this automotive classic? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury.com. We'll be back soon with more tales of iconic cars from the past. Until then, drive safe and stay inspired.